Okay, it's the 10th of January. It's Friday evening around 7 o'clock when I'm putting this together. Temperatures around 8 o'clock will look like this. They'll be in the 20s. So any of the precipitation that's going to fall tonight, as you can see, temperatures stay in the 20s overnight. Here's around 7 o'clock in the morning. You can still see they're in the 20s. So precipitation that falls tonight is going to be a fluffy snow. And it's not a big storm. It's basically 1 to 3 inches, but the roads are going to be slick because again, it'll be sticking to the roads unless they're treated. Precipitation starting to move in. This is around midnight tonight, and it's just to the west of Williamsport, and then it'll start to move in to northeastern PA around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. You can see now it's like Berwick and down this way. Hazleton is getting it, and then it'll go over the whole area within an hour or two. Here's 4 a.m. Here's 5 a.m. and you can see all of northeastern PA and northern New Jersey, northwestern New Jersey. It's snowing at this time, and then you'll see it kind of moves out pretty quick. Here's 8 o'clock in the morning, so it's a quick in and out, and it's gone. And then you're left with just some flurries behind it during the day. This is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. There's some flurries and squalls behind this thing that kind of come in, but nothing of consequence to worry about. This is taking you through Sunday, and then as you get in the afternoon hours on Sunday, you can see the precipitation has backed off. Your total snow accumulations out of this thing. And again, I need to update this just a little bit. You can see they're basically 1 to 2 inches up here. The highest peaks maybe 2 inches or three. But the storms have all overachieved to the north, and I don't see any reason why some of these areas where you see point 0.8 and stuff like that don't actually get a little bit over an inch of snow. So it's not out of the question, but it's just a nuisance type snow, and it's falling at the worst time. It's falling late evening into the late night into the early morning hours, and if people are heading to work, they need to be careful there. But this is total snow between what falls and the squalls off the lakes and everything like that that you see going on. And temperatures throughout this period all will stay below freezing. It doesn't ever get above freezing here. So anything that does fall will stick and stay, and anything on the roads that melts during the day could freeze at night. So you need to also be careful of that when you're traveling around. And that's kind of where we sit with this whole pattern right now. Again, I see a nor'easter possibly on the table coming up in about a week. We have to keep an eye on it because these things always look like they're going to happen, and then they don't. But there is going to be a storm, and that's the whole thing in a nutshell. If I call for a snow and I say it could develop into something big, even if it doesn't happen, there's still a storm and something does fall. You get moderate snow or light snow, but the idea that there's going to be a low off the coast is as a definite. It's just a matter of where it's positioned when it gets closer, and that'll allow where the heavier snow would fall out of that. All right, so here it is. Just take it easy and be careful out there driving.